is going on, everybody? Marissa Romero here, and today's video is going to be something a little different, a little special, and I'm going to be showing you guys what is in this box. I got a brand new, nicely packaged box today from Amazon, and it is my brand new Panasonic G85 camera, but it is also the popular bundle that you see on Amazon. So I was able to save a little money with the accessories inside. So what we're going to do first is take a look at what's inside this box, go through what the camera looks like and its features, and I'm going to show you guys at the end some actual footage from this brand new Panasonic G85 camera. So stay tuned. Alright, welcome back to this video, you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look inside this box. But first, before I get into that, I actually wanted to say, as a disclaimer, that I am not a techie type person. My channel is not about technical gadgets and cameras and all that cool stuff. My channel, I actually teach how to make money online and how to build an online business and grow it. It's very tutorial based and all that good stuff. However, I'm going to get into more of the vlogging, lifestyle, and travel content because I am a digital nomad and I travel a lot, and I've gotten a huge request for me documenting more of my behind the scenes and of course footage from other countries, and that is exactly why I got the Panasonic G85. It was between this and also the Canon M50, and I decided to go with the G85 solely because I got a lot of recommendations from people that I trust. They said go with the Panasonic over the Canon. I'm like, cool. It shoots in 4K. That's the main thing I was looking for. But let's go ahead and look at what's inside this bundle, which I will leave the link to in the description. I think I was able to save quite a bit of money, at least $200 from what I calculated. So first, what it comes with is 120 gigabyte memory card, so that's really nice. I needed something bigger than 64 gig since I will be shooting quite a bit of content. Now, it comes with a tripod as well. It's kind of a knockoff-ish tripod. It's not like, you know, those heavy-duty spider circly looking ones. Here, let's open it really quick. Later on in this video, sorry, it's not a pleasant sound, but later on in this video, I will go ahead and put the camera on the tripod, play around with it, see how it feels like with the weight of the camera and all that, and I'll see how it feels. But really, I think this is good enough to start. Just from the looks of it, it's already a little bit more durable than it looked in the picture, but of course not as durable as the other Gorilla Pods. And this bundle also comes with the 58mm lens, and I am brand new to, you know, mirror lenses and all that stuff and detachable lenses. I don't really know how to use them yet, so it's going to be a pretty cool learning curve to figure out. And then next we have the Rode video mic, essential if you are doing vlogging and if you are, you know, talking into the camera and whatever else. So I'm pretty excited to test this out and put this on the camera so that my sound can sound excellent. And then this, here's some batteries. Let's see. Looks like, okay, looks like 2 batteries here, and then the charger that goes in the camera, and also this battery stand, I guess you call it. So the batteries will go in there, and then the cord connects, and then you can plug it into the wall. So that's what that comes with. And then of course the camera, which I will unbox separately. And then the best part about it, since I travel a lot and I need to transport things, this was kind of really important for me to have. It is a bag, camera bag. Looks like this. And so it's a photo video backpack, which is essential because you know, when I'm traveling on the airplane or, you know, on the subway or metro, it's just really nice to have these compartments and something durable so that, you know, your camera just doesn't it's protected and you can put everything in it. So this is why I actually went with the bundle. So far it's looking good. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the actual G85 camera box. Okay, so as promised, we're gonna unbox the Panasonic G85 camera. And I'm really excited because obviously this shoots in 4K. It also takes 4K video, and it has the post focus. What that means is kind of like the depth effect that you see on like iPhone, so it's able to zoom in and blur out the back on different images. So the other thing on the box that it says it has is the 16 megapixels. It says splash and dust proof, so the material of the camera is pretty durable. So let's go ahead and take a look, but just wanted to show you these things on the box. So without further ado, let's open it. All right, so here's all the manuals it looks like. Comes with this strap. And here is the camera. Now I have really small hands and this feels nice on first impression. I'm really digging how light this camera is and how, you know, it's not super huge and I'm able to manage it pretty well. So, you know, a couple things that I see right away is this LED touchscreen. It's like a 3-inch screen, so you can tilt it, move it. So excellent for when you're trying to aim at something and see, or you can flip it the other way if you're doing things vlog style, which is pretty exciting. Okay, so let's flip it back and put it back. Here is where you can unplug, and that is the input for the mic. Okay, and then this, what is this here? HDMI over here. I know this was a big update from the G7. They moved the SD card from here to the side, which vloggers and content creators have really appreciated. So you could put the SD card right in there. Here again is the different menu features, and so we could check that out later. And then here's some of the features on the top of the camera. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what else is in here. So it came with this lens, T.25 m, 0.82 feet. Oh, okay, cool. So there it is. There's the specs of this lens. And so this is pretty sweet how this camera has the feature of detachable lenses. Okay, and then let's look again what else it has. Charger cord. This is pretty cool. Very convenient that it comes with a wall charger, which I love. So again, in this bundle, as I showed you guys before, it comes with 2 extra batteries. Here's a battery charger, and then this to connect to the camera. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so what you get again are these features, are these things right here in the actual camera box. All right, so that is what comes inside the box. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna plug in the battery, take this bad boy outside later on, show you some actual footage of the colors and the outside and what this camera actually looks like. All right, so right now I'm outside in the backyard and I wanted to show you guys this footage. There's a lot of colors out here. I think it's really cool. And one thing I forgot to mention when I was unboxing the camera is that the lens that it comes with in the box, the 1260 millimeter, on its own is probably worth about $400. So with the bundle, with everything, it comes included with this camera, which I thought was amazing because it is an amazing lens, perfect for the purpose of what I'm doing, YouTubing and vlogging. So I think it's pretty phenomenal. Also, right now I'm carrying this camera with the knockoff GorillaPod, and I think it's just fine for now. Later on I'll upgrade to the GorillaPod. I also have the Rode mic in the camera so that my voice is pretty clear, and I think it sounds pretty good. Whenever I plan to record, pretty much will always use the mic, so that you know, works out for me. But yeah, I love this camera. The 4K footage is very, very crispy. I'm super excited to use it on my travel adventures and even just filming in my YouTube studios. One setting that I did change right away when turning on this camera is the stabilization. So I went to the main menu and I went to the little video icon and I clicked on stabilization, the e-stabilization was off. I actually turned it on. I do hear that it drains the battery a little faster, but that's okay. I don't mind at all because I could tell that, you know, I could understand that it's important to have in the footage. I could even tell that it's more stable than, it shows more stable than as I'm walking. It seems like it'd be more wobbly, but it's not. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys some of the settings I did change in this camera just for the autofocus purposes. So I just went to the main menu. I went to quick autofocus and it was off and I changed it to on. And then I went to pinpoint autofocus time and it was on mid, and I actually changed it to short. And then on the third page of this tab, I went to autofocus sensitivity and changed, it was on originally 0 plus or minus 0, and I changed it to 0.2. Then on the body of the camera, it was actually on AFS, but I changed it to AFC, which is autofocus continuous. And then the last thing I did, I went to the video tab and I went to page 4 and went to stabilizer. And when you click on stabilizer, you can see the option for e-stabilization. I actually turned that on to make sure that e-stabilization mode was on. So again, I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Panasonic G85. I highly recommend it. I think it's a great camera, especially for the money, the value that you're getting for the bundle. So if you guys are interested in purchasing the Panasonic G85, I left the exact link of the bundle that I got. I think it's right now $880 as of the making of this video. So go ahead, check out the link to that in the description below. And of course, if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button for all future content, because right now I'm uploading content basically 5 to 6 to 7 times a week. So you want to stay tuned and get the latest and greatest on making money online. So that was it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.